Blizzard? You want White Castle? Yeah, you want White Castle? You want White Castle burger?
How many is that today?
This will be number 2. He's speaking. You want White Castle? Ooh, it's hot. Here. This what you want? Over here, Blizzard. Ooh, baby, it's hot. One White Castle for the Blizzard. Ooh, how could you even eat this, Blizzard? That is so hot. That is so hot. Don't you have to let it cool for a minute? You want this? You want this? Sit up. No? No? It's hot. And he says he don't care. How could he eat? I could barely pull this apart.
Really?
It's so hot. Use a knife. You're one crazy cat. You're one crazy cat. We're going to send you to White Castle for, let them pay you for advertising. Unreal. One White Castle. Down to Kitty.
Number 2 for today.
Number 2 for today. And he eats an entire one. The last one, he ate all the bread, too. Going to town. Do that, see if he wants to come back for the bread.
He likes the onions too?
Yeah, he eats everything on there. White Castle Kitty.
Well, if we can't find them, we'll smell them.
Yeah, right? He is one White Castle Kitty.
Oh! Blizzard! Blizzard!
Ah, that was too funny, baby. That was too funny.
That's the Blizzard! In one and out the other. Whoa, Blizzard!
Oh my goodness, you're funny.
Blizzard! He loves the sliders, baby.
He loves the sliders. He won't eat his cat food anymore.
Huh?
All he wants is White Castles.
Gives him gas though.
Yeah. That's all he eats.
His tail went up that time.
He can't get these things down fast enough.
Wow, crazy.
And you saw how steaming hot that thing was?
Yeah,
He could care less.
yeah. Zooming in on the Blizzard there.
Unbelievable.
He eats the onion and everything, huh?
Everything. The cheese.
Yeah. At least he ain't getting constipated. Well, his tail went up that time.
Look at him go. Look at him go. A cat that never ate people food. After 10 years, he went crazy and had a midlife crisis, and now he eats every people food he can get his hands on.
What's next? Big Macs?
Yeah, right?
Big Macs.
God help us, we bring one of those home.
Yeah. He likes the White Castle.
He sure does. He cries for him. You just have to say to him, White Castle, when he's not eating it, he'll cry.
Oh,
You see
now
him
he-
walk over to the microwave?
Now he's eating the bread.
Now he's eating the bread.
Oh, Blizzard. Oh, I gotta leave.